I heard some voices. Hold on. Let me check in this bag right here. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's been a minute. As you guys know, I'm here at Juan's shop. He's busy painting his new wing for this beast right here. Got all polished up. Paint matching?
Yeah. Hard to match it for the color.
Oh yeah, it is. It's close.
It's pretty close, but
and it's been a while since I last vlogged, but I hope you guys like the intro. The intro was me hanging out with a good homie of mine, and I'm pretty sure you guys know him as Spamsubie, aka Steven, or it should be the other way around. He invited me to a meet, and I just wanted to go hang out, chill. I thought about vlogging there, but I was having too much fun with my friends. So now in this video we're getting to work on this thing, and what I mean by getting to work on this thing is that I have a brand new engine head for this car. I don't know if you guys remember. Damn, it's super bright. I don't know if you guys remember, a few videos back I had a issue with, or at least I thought it was an issue with my distributor or spark plug or spark wire, the fuel injectors. I changed everything, even the timing. The code kept saying cylinder 3 misfire. With everyone else's computer, it started saying random misfire. That turned out to be a completely different problem, and I went down to cylinder heads and they took a look at the car real quick, and they noticed that right here, it's a common problem with these D series is that, let me flip it up, that the exhaust valves burn out and they don't seal as well. So I got everything done here, resurfaced, everything seals pretty good. I do have everything tied off right here with the wires, so it's just easier to replace it. All we have to do is cut the wires. Everything's done. I do have a brand new gasket set, some oil, spark plugs, and so much more. Hey Hector!
you got your gasket?
Right here.
Okay, hold on. Let me do it.
Hector's awesome because he's the one that's going to be installing the engine tomorrow, so tomorrow I won't have a car, but Panda will run a lot better. It's been running like crap, burning twice as much gas, twice as much oil because of this issue. It's not the reason why I haven't been posting content. I've just been so busy with work and other projects. I thought this would be a good video to restart my vlogs. That's it. It comes with all of this stuff here. That's all inside right there.
Head gasket, valve cover.
Yeah, we got 2 of those.
Intake, upper and bottom throttle body, and a bunch of seals.
That's the distributor seal.
This is the cam seal.
Cam seal, and then all the other seals are right there.
Seal this thermostat.
Right. And if you guys wonder where Hector's shop is, it's right next door. That guy's funny, man. I just got off work, you guys, so I'm like really tired. There's a few things I do. Oh my god, why is it so bright? There's a few things I want to talk to you guys about, even like my shoulder. I shouldn't be holding the camera with this shoulder. It's not an injury, but my muscles are overworked. Oh my god, I went back to, oh my god. I'll talk to you guys more about it later. After we get the engine in, there are a few things with the car that I need to dial in myself. We're gonna be on crunch time this year as far as finishing up a few things that I do have now that can be installed onto the car. Like, I did small stuff here and there, like I put on our banner. I am designing more. This is just like a wrap with my sticker on it. I will be making more of the sticker and actual banners for you guys. I've really been working on a lot of stickers recently, so I have a lot of those already set up to be printed for you guys, and some merch as well. I have been busy, not just with work, but like working for us and to make things for our brand as a family and grow together, because I do like designing merch and stickers and all that stuff too. So I do have plenty that I am ready to show you guys. So what I recently did to the interior, because I am actually making a new design for the interior of the car. If you guys see me on Snapchat or Instagram, you guys would know that I still been working on the car here and there, and I finished the sun visors, which are dope AF. Yeah, they are carbon fiber wrapped. They're holding up pretty good. It's already been like a week since I had this done. And here, I can show you guys like what the finish is. Check this out. Oh yeah, we got some stickers up in here. And everything is legit. So, I think that's pretty hard. Here, check out the passenger side. Passenger side is pretty hard too. So it just all dials in with the interior that's going to be happening later on into the future. Back at Hector's shop, and we kind of found the problem with Panda. Took the whole entire motor, or at least the head out of the car, took everything out, and found out that have a bad camshaft. Can you guys see these scratches right here? Yeah, it's like all, like especially this one. And one of these are pretty flat. I think it's actually this one is flat than most of them. So one of the exhaust valves was too tight, it burned through. Now tomorrow I'm gonna go pick one of these up and get everything going with the car, because I don't want to leave it like this. But I got everything else like new. Everything looks good. It's just this for now. Like fuck, I still gotta figure out a way, like how am I gonna get home. I'll see you guys in a bit and see what my next plan is. Okay you guys, I am here at the car wash because Spencer's car is hell of filthy, man. I can't do that to him. Look, got caca all over. Look at the caca. Look at that, bro. Come on, man. What you doing, Spencer? So, before I give it back to him, I'll go ahead and give it a quick wash. He's a great friend of mine, and he helped me so much with a lot of different things, especially like putting on the kit on my car. So I'm gonna try to clean it up the best I can. This window doesn't roll up, so gotta be careful with that. But just real quick, and then I hand it back to him. I'd like to do some cinematics, but my battery's gonna die, and let's see what I can pull off for the little bit of time that my battery has. And bam! Shit's pretty. Looks way better already, shit. Especially this side. I used some of the degreaser and it got the rims real chrome again. Alright you guys, I'm at Civilized Tattoo and I'm cutting Spencer's sticker out for the car. So I'll be doing most of my stickers here. Right now I'm just trying to transfer this off onto here. Big printers and everything in here to where I can make my own shirts and everything as well. So everything will be done here, and expect some merch soon. It's all done, you guys. So I made this one right here for Spencer. This one, it's for a show that's like in 2 days, or a car meet for Nissan Silvias, 14s, whatever. So now I'm gonna put this tape right here so I can be able to transfer it onto the car. I'm gonna go to Spencer's house and just tell him to see if we can put this on the car tonight. All right. The car?
Yeah.
Boom!
Cool. Grazie.
I did that shit myself. Professional.
Did you wash it?
The car? Yeah.
Fuck, I should just let you borrow more often.
And I look how much more chrome.
Oh, did you work on those wheels a little bit?
I just
dude, they're fucking. There's nothing I can do. The rust is. I gotta like do something. The brake dust rusted through.
Yeah. No, I degreased it and just scrub, and then hurrying through the soap on over it, and then high pressured it off.
Actually, that's pretty good. This is a really bad one.
I didn't get to detail it though. I only detailed the white ones.
Yeah, because this shit right here. See this stuff? It's like fucking.
It's kicked on there. Yeah, I didn't get to do that yet.
Break dust shit. And I fucking used the ionizer stuff, and I fucking had a brush and shit. And they're a lost cause.
Oh shit.
It's a tape measure. I'm gonna be eyeballing this.
Probably. Damn, it's all super shiny.
Because when I moved it forward, I don't like it. It looks weird up here. You know, it's kind of like it's like in the middle of nowhere.
Okay.
So I think it was like in between this, so it's kind of like leads into it. So I think it was like right about there. And the hardest part's gonna be catching this line. Like,
So it's supposed to be below it like that.
yeah, just like
Before that line.
And I think about right.
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna fucking go for it.
Oh shit.
That's how I do it.
Oh,
Yeah, it's fucking pretty good. That's it's only one down.
oh, okay.
We only got one down. I'm gonna do the other side.
Damn. It really kind of blends in. Like you really have to look at the car to see this.
Oh fuck yeah, dude! You gotta come back here and look at it.
Not even on camera, you can barely see it, but it does look dope.
Because it literally looks like a.
And just like a little shadow shading, but that's exactly what we're going for. Yeah. The white would have been too much. The silver, I see what you're talking about. It blends in pretty good. Hey, I drew that. Haha. Yo, what up, everybody? It is next day. I'm returning my cool ass rent-a-car from Spencer. Oh, left, right, let's go. Panda is finally finished. It's actually been about a day and a half or 2 days, whatever you want to call it. I left it overnight so Hector can just finish the small stuff that he wanted to work on. Since it's new, I'm gonna drive it for a bit, and then we're probably Monday I'm gonna drop it back off to get some of the valves adjusted, because he says there's a small little tick tick tick, but I'm gonna see what's up. Help Spencer take some wheels off his purple car. He's selling them, and he needs this car to go take it. So he's gonna give me a ride back to Panda, and I get to drive Panda for the first time in a while. And I actually like this thing. It even has like working AC and shit's beast. Really comfortable car. The most comfiest car I rode in for the type of car it is. Awesome. Neat.
I didn't know I forgot I had these.
Oh damn.
These are from 2006 D1. I think
That's crazy.
One of them has like, so these are the coilovers that are on my two-tone.
Okay.
That's funny. That's actually, I've never seen them in an ad before. Want to see old California car shows?
Oh shit.
Bro, look at this shit.
Look at that Civic though.
Yeah, that one is dope. I remember that car from a long time ago.
It's all carbon.
SI. This car is, I think this car's still around. That was my friend the Will's convertible.
That's dope.
And that's Coco's CRX.
Doing no gang sign.
Yeah.
Once you're selling his works, these are sold.
Dude, look at my rear wheels.
That's how you roll now, no tires. Alright, this seat that Spencer has, he's gonna give me this. And these are for Honda Civic brackets. Even though I got new ones, I'm gonna try to mount this setup into my car because my seat looks worse than what this seat is. I mean guys, Panda runs good, but I'm here to return my old engine, and check this out. A chunk was missing. It blew up and it could have messed up the piston, but it went through the exhaust. Crazy. That's what happened to Panda. Broke right there.